Hi everyone, today we are going to learn two common Chinese greetings, 你好 and 你好. 你好. 你好 is an informal greeting that is commonly used between friends, family, colleagues, etc. It can be used to say hello, goodbye, express gratitude, etc. 你好. 你好. When meeting a friend, when chatting with family, when greeting a colleague, when thanking someone. 你好. 你好 is a formal greeting that is commonly used with strangers, elders, and respected people. It can be used to say hello, express gratitude, and show respect. 你好. 你好. When meeting a stranger, when talking to an elder, in a business setting, when showing respect to someone. The main difference between 你好 and 你好 is their level of formality. 你好, informal, used between people who are familiar with each other. 你好, formal, used with strangers, elders, and respected people. Now, let's practice using 你好 and 你好. Please say 你好 to your friend. Please say 你好 to your grandfather. Imagine you are in a restaurant. The waiter comes over to ask you what do you need. What would you say? 你好 and 你好 are two common Chinese greetings. It is important to distinguish their usage so that you can use them correctly in different situations. In addition to 你好 and 你好, there are other Chinese greetings such as 早上好, 下午好, 晚上好, 你好吗? 很高兴见到你。你好您 Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson has helped you better understand and use 你好 and 你好